Good morning, students. I, Kanishka Kumar Dasar, welcome you to your favorite English class. Students, today we are going to discuss at first about the life and contribution of Anton Chekhov, the writer or author of the Beggar, and after the summary of the first part of the story, The Beggar, and its objective type questions and answers. Anton Pavlovich Chekhov was a Russian playwright and short story writer. Anton Pavlovich Chekhov ଜଣେ ରାଷିଆ ଦେଶର ନାଟ୍ୟକାର ଏବଂ କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ରଗଳ୍ପର ଲେଖକ ଥିଲେ। He was born on the feast day of Saint Anthony the Great on 29th January 1860 in Taganrog. ସେ 1860 ମସିହା ଜାନୁଆରୀ ମାସ 29 ତାରିଖରେ ସେଣ୍ଟ ଆଣ୍ଟୋନି ଦ ଗ୍ରେଟ୍ ଠାରେ ଏକ ଭୋଜି ଦିନ ଜନ୍ମଗ୍ରହଣ କରିଥିଲେ। ହି ଡାଇଡ୍ ଅନ୍ 15th July 1904 at Badenweiler, ଜର୍ମାନୀ। ସେ ଜର୍ମାନୀର ବେଡେନୱେଲର ଠାରେ 1904 ଜୁଲାଇ 15 ତାରିଖରେ ଦେହତ୍ୟାଗ କରିଥିଲେ। His important plays are The Cherry Orchard, The Seagull, Three Sisters, Uncle's Vanya, A Marriage Proposal, etc. ତାଙ୍କର ଗୁରୁତ୍ୱପୂର୍ଣ୍ଣ ନାଟକ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ହେଲା ଦ ଚେରି ଅର୍ଚାର୍ଡ, ଦ ସିଗଲ୍, ଥ୍ରୀ ସିଷ୍ଟର୍ସ, ଅଙ୍କଲ ଭାନିଆ, ଏ ମ୍ୟାରେଜ୍ ପ୍ରପୋଜାଲ। ଦ ବେଗର ଇଜ୍ ହିଜ୍ ୱାନ୍ ଅଫ୍ ଦ ଷ୍ଟୋରିଜ୍। ଦ ବେଗାର ହେଉଛି ତାଙ୍କର ଲିଖିତ କ୍ଷୁଦ୍ରଗଳ୍ପ ଗୁଡ଼ିକ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଗୋଟିଏ। ଦ ଷ୍ଟୋରି revolves around the theme of kindness and compassion. ଏହି ଗପଟି ଦୟାର ବିଷୟବସ୍ତୁ ଉପରେ ଆଧାରିତ। At the outset of the first unit, the poor beggar is using words of flattery in order to beg something from the passerby. ପ୍ରଥମ ୟୁନିଟ୍ର ଆରମ୍ଭରେ ଜଣେ ଭିକ୍ଷୁକ ଭିକ୍ଷା କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଛଳନାତ୍ମକ ଶବ୍ଦ ସବୁ ବ୍ୟବହାର କରୁଥିବାର ପରିଲକ୍ଷିତ ହେଉଛି। He is telling that he hasn't 5 kopecks for a lodging. ରହିବା ପାଇଁ ତା ପାଖରେ 5 କପେକ୍ ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ସେ କହୁଛି। or for 3 days he has nothing to eat, କିମ୍ବା 3 ଦିନ ଧରି ଖାଇବା ପାଇଁ ତା ପାଖରେ କିଛି ନାହିଁ। Using these words, he is trying to draw the attention of the passersby. ଏହି ସବୁ କଥା କହି ସେ ଯାଉଥିବା ବାଟୋଇଙ୍କର ଧ୍ୟାନ ତା ପ୍ରତି ଆକର୍ଷଣ କରିବାକୁ ଚେଷ୍ଟା କରୁଛି। By this time, advocate Sergei traps his attention within the beggar's costumes, appearance, and thinks that he had seen him somewhere. ଇତିମଧ୍ୟରେ ସର୍ଗେଇ ଜଣେ ଓକିଲ ସେହି ଭିକାରୀଟିର ପୋଷାକ ପରିଚ୍ଛଦ ଓ ଚେହେରା ଉପରେ ନଜର କେନ୍ଦ୍ରୀଭୂତ କରନ୍ତି ଓ ଆଗରୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ କେଉଁଠି ଦେଖିଥିବାର କଥା ମନେ ପକାନ୍ତି। He thinks that he has met him the day before yesterday in Sadhava Street. ସେ ଭାବନ୍ତି ଯେ ପହରଦିନ ସାଧବା ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ରେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କୁ ଭେଟିଛନ୍ତି। He compares his statement of his position then with present and confirms that he is telling lies. ସେ ତାର ଚାକିରି ବିଷୟରେ କହିଥିବା କଥା ସହ ବର୍ତ୍ତମାନର କଥା ମେଳ ନଥିବାରୁ ସେ କହୁଥିବା କଥା ମିଛ ବୋଲି ଜାଣିପାରନ୍ତି। When Sergei threatens him to send him for a police to know the actual truth, the beggar expresses the truth by saying that he was singing for a Russian choir and was sent away for drunkenness. ଯେତେବେଳେ ସତ ଓଗାଳିବା ପାଇଁ ସାଗେଇ ଭିକାରୀଟିକୁ ପୋଲିସର ଧମକ ଦିଅନ୍ତି ସେତେବେଳେ ସେ ଗୋଟିଏ ରୁଷୀୟ ସଙ୍ଗୀତ ଦଳର ଗାୟକ ଥିଲେ ଏବଂ ମଦୁଆ ପ୍ରକୃତି ଯୋଗୁଁ ତଡ଼ା ଖାଇଥିଲେ ବୋଲି ସତ କହେ। ସାଗେଇ asked him if he could work. ସଗେଇ ତାଙ୍କୁ କାମ କରିପାରିବ କି ନାହିଁ ବୋଲି ପଚାରନ୍ତି। He responds positively. ସେ ହଁ ଭରେ। ସଗେଇ says that they will soon find out. ସଗେଇ ସେମାନେ ଖୁବ୍ ଶୀଘ୍ର ପହଞ୍ଚିଯିବେ ବୋଲି କହନ୍ତି। With this the first unit comes to an end. ଏହିଥିରେ ପ୍ରଥମ ୟୁନିଟ୍ର ସମାପ୍ତି ହୁଏ। Now come to discuss the objective type questions and answers. Question number 1. The beggar hadn't dash kopecks for a lodging. ରହିବା ପାଇଁ ଭିକାରୀଟି ପାଖରେ କେତେ କପେକ୍ସ ନଥିଲା? Students, you know that kopecks is the Russian coins. Option number A 1, B 3, C 5. Students, option C 5 is the correct answer. Question number 2. According to the beggar, for dash years he was a village school teacher. ଭିକାରୀଟି ମତରେ କେତେ ବର୍ଷ ସେ ଗାଁ ବିଦ୍ୟାଳୟର ଶିକ୍ଷକ ଥିଲା? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ 2, B 4, C 8. Students, option C 8 is the correct answer. Question number 3. He lost his place through dash. ସେ କ'ଣ ପାଇଁ ଚାକିରି ହରାଇଥିଲା? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ beating, ଅପସନ୍ ବି intrigues, ଅପସନ୍ ସି audit. Students, option B intrigues is the correct answer. Question number 4. Who was Sergei? Sergei କିଏ ଥିଲେ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ an advocate, B a judge, C a common man. Students, option A an advocate is the correct answer. Question number 5. Who is referred to as suppliant here? ଏଠାରେ suppliant ବୋଲି କାହାକୁ କୁହାଯାଇଛି? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ the beggar, ଅପସନ୍ ବି Sergei, ଅପସନ୍ ସି none of them. Students, option A the beggar is the correct answer. Question number 6. What do you mean by the word suppliant? suppliant ର ମାନେ କ'ଣ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ person who drinks alcohol. Option B, a person who makes humble request. Option C, a mad. Students, option B, a person who makes humble request is the correct answer. Question number 7. Sagai looked at the ragged, dash-colored overcoat of the suppliant. Sagai ଭିକାରୀଟିର ଛିଣ୍ଡା ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ରଙ୍ଗର ଓଭରକଟ୍ ଆଡ଼କୁ ଅନାଇଥିଲେ. ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଫନ୍, ଅପସନ୍ ବି ବ୍ଲୁ, ଅପସନ୍ ସି ରେଡ୍. Students, option A, fawn is the correct answer. Question number 8. The beggar's eyes were dull and dash. ଭିକାରୀଟିର ଆଖି ମଳିନ ଓ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ଥିଲା. ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ବ୍ରାଇଟ୍, ଅପସନ୍ ବି drunken, option C dull. Students, option B drunken is the correct answer. Question number 9. One of the beggar's dash was high and the other was low. ଭିକାରୀଟିର ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ମଧ୍ୟରୁ ଗୋଟିଏ ଥିଲା ଉଚ୍ଚ ଏବଂ ଅନ୍ୟଟି ନିଚ. ଅପସନ୍ ଏ shoulders, option B overshoes, option C legs. Students, option B overshoes is the correct answer. Question number 10. Sagai said it seemed to him that he had met the beggar the day before yesterday in dash street. ସାଗେଇ କହିଲେ ଏହା ତାଙ୍କୁ ଜଣାପଡ଼ୁଥିଲା ଯେ ସେ ଭିକାରୀଟିକୁ ଗତ ପହର ଦିନ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ଷ୍ଟ୍ରିଟ୍ରେ ଭେଟିଥିଲେ. ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ଲାବଣ୍ୟା, ଅପସନ୍ ବି ସାଦଭ୍ୟା, ଅପସନ୍ ସି ଅଶୋକା. Students, option B Sadhavya is the correct answer. Question number 11. As per the first statement of the beggar to Sagai, he was a dash. ସାଗେଇକୁ ଦେଇଥିବା ପ୍ରଥମ ଉକ୍ତି ଅନୁସାରେ ଭିକାରୀଟି ଜଣେ ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ଥିଲା. ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ବେଗାର, ଅପସନ୍ ବି ଭିଲେଜ ସ୍କୁଲ ଟିଚର, ଅପସନ୍ ସି ଷ୍ଟୁଡେଣ୍ଟ. Students, option C student is the correct answer. Question number 12. Really, the beggar was a dash in a Russian choir. ପ୍ରକୃତରେ ଭିକାରୀଟି ଜଣେ ରାସିଆନ କୟର ଡ୍ୟାସ୍ ଥିଲା. ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ସିଙ୍ଗର, ଅପସନ୍ ବି ଡାଇରେକ୍ଟର, ଅପସନ୍ ସି ମେକାନିକ୍. Students, option A singer is the correct answer. Question number 13. Which work did Sagai find out for the beggar? ସାଗେଇ ଭିକାରୀଟି ପାଇଁ କେଉଁ କାମ ଯୋଗାଡ଼ କଲେ? ଅପସନ୍ ଏ ୱେଟର, ଅପସନ୍ ବି ଚପିଂ ଉଡ୍, ଅପସନ୍ ସି ଟିଚରସିପ୍. Students, option B chopping wood is the correct answer. Students, with this discussion of objective type questions and answers comes to an end. Students, to get this type of answers, discussion of all types of academic related activities, you please stay tuned and you will get all the updates afterwards. ପିଲାମାନେ ଏହିଭଳି ଅନେକ ଭିଡ଼ିଓରେ ତୁମେମାନେ ଏହି ପ୍ରକାରର ଆଲୋଚନା ଯାହା ତୁମକୁ ପରୀକ୍ଷାରେ ନିଶ୍ଚିତ ସାହାଯ୍ୟ କରିବ ଏବଂ ଭଲ ମାର୍କ ଆଣିଦେବ. ପ୍ଲିଜ୍ ସବସ୍କ୍ରାଇବ୍ ମାଇ ଚ୍ୟାନେଲ, share it with others and give liking Thank you very much for attending my class. Thank you.